Hi guys, and I'm back again, and I'm making a fun sensory play disc today. So I'm adding 15 ml of clear resin to a round coaster disc. I've had this sitting on my desk for about 5 minutes just to make sure all the bubbles had popped, because I need this to be as clear as glass. So you can see there, I'm just making sure it covers all of the mould, and then go around the outside with a cocktail stick in case any bubbles decide to settle in the rim, and then go over with my clicky lighter and spritz with some isopropyl alcohol. And then to this I am adding some bits that I've made with leftover resin, so it's like different resin shapes in different colours, and I've got I'll say quite a few. I think there's 3 other styles available on my website, and I'll put the link in the description box below. But yeah, they're sort of like touch sensory discs, so you can see I'm placing different shapes at different places. I don't completely fill the mould, I leave some gaps around. And the items, I don't add any more resin to this once I'm done. The items are raised slightly, so some of it sinks into the resin so it sets in place, and then the top part can be felt and touched. And to say, all the bits that I'm adding are all resin pieces that I've made with different leftover resin when I've sort of like made items, and I think to myself, oh, I don't want to let that set in the cup, so what can I do? And I just grab a mould and I tip it in, and I've got a jar full. And yeah, so I thought, you know, as I said, I've got others on my website, but I thought I'd make another one and make a video of me making it so you could see. Now that was annoying. I don't want the resin on top of that, so I will clean that off at the end, and you will see see me do that. So you can see that they do want to float around, so I just push them down and make sure they are all in place. And then the final bit there. Now admittedly I didn't want the 2 circles together. That purple one is a domed circle, the white one is flat, but I didn't want the hassle of trying to move anything and, you know, making more mess with the clear wet resin, so we thought we'd just leave that like that. And then all I do is I just get a cotton bud Q-tip with some acetone, and I just gently wipe off that bit of resin off the top of that green square, and then just make sure there are no bubbles around the items, because they do have a tendency to push the resin up from underneath and create a bubble. You can see they've sort of stopped floating into the center, but just move them back around gently to where I want them, so there's a nice gap in between each one. And just leave that to dry, and when I come back tomorrow I will be unmoulding it and show you how you can see and feel the raised items. So thanks for watching for now. Okie dokie, let's have a look. So you can see that it's set beautifully. So I don't want it too thick, so that is why I just use 15 ml of resin. Everything is smooth for little fingers, so there are no sharp bits at all. As you can see, you can also see, that's why I like it clear, because you can see the items from the back, and you can see they are raised just slightly so you can feel them. Till next time, bye.